And in this video, we're assembling the teacup. And I'm going to start with my saucer. And I'm going to put the panels on first. I feel like it will be easier to put these in place when it can be flattened. So you can see there's nothing too complicated about the saucer. It goes together pretty quickly. Okay, and there it is. Now, this one you're going to glue the tab behind, just like that. And then you're just going to fit your bottom piece right in, like so. Okay, just want to add glue here to these tabs. There we are. There's the saucer. I'm going to put the pieces together for my handle, just so that they're ready when I have it ready to go. You want to be careful not to get glue. You don't want to glue your two tabs together, because those are going to separate and glue like that inside your panel, actually. Okay, so here, and you're just gonna, this is your cup, you're gonna fold all your tabs. They all go the same direction, and then just start working your way around. just squeezing on the inside with my finger. And even though I have the slits all the way through the cup, I think I'm only going to put my handle. I have to think about that. I don't know if I want the tabs inside or not. So I've already got my piece folded, but fold it, your second piece on all the score lines. And since this is in two separate pieces, you can make this cup bigger if you would like. So just take your time and make sure you're lining up your score lines good. Whoops. And then we're just going to glue the bottom on. You're just going to push and pinch to line that up, okay? Push and pinch the sides of the cup. Sometimes I pinch too hard. There we go. There we go. And grab my bone folder, push down my tabs. Now you can, I'm not going to do it in the video because I shouldn't even be putting on all the pieces. But if you want to clean up the inside, cut 2 sets of your panels and put them on the inside as well as the outside. Okay, for the outside, you want to put a little curve to your panel. And and just glue it at the top and the bottom. And this will give your cup a nice rounded appearance. And before you cover your tabs on the inside, you will want to do the handle to your cup. There you go. And one side is at more of a slant, so you'll just have to you want the slanted part towards the bottom, and you'll see that when you look at the file. Then you just open up your tabs. We'll put a dot of glue there. That's your handle. Just gonna pinch that. And then do it to the bottom. Side didn't glue. There we go. I think I got enough glue on there. Now I have too much. That's going to be all over my finger. And oozing out the side. Okay. And again, to clean up the look on the inside, cut 2 sets of the panels. Do 1 set inside and 1 set outside. And that'll really give you a nice clean look inside your cup. And 1 last panel. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so there's your cup. Now it does have an insert. Okay, I don't want to put it all the way in because I have to make the piece that will help me get it in and out. So you're going to glue your smoke together, and it also has tabs here that you don't want to get glue on, so I'm folding them back out of my way. And then put them my throat's getting dry. And the purpose of your smoke is to act as a handle. There we are. And now you have a nice steaming cup of tea and cream. Thank you for joining me.